Either the person running the Leeds United Twitter account seriously misjudged how their fans treat transfer deadline day, or they've become sensational internet trolls. We know the final day can sometimes be a struggle for fans of clubs lower down the Football League, but oh my, Leeds fans can certainly feel hard done by. With 10 minutes to go, Leeds United informed their followers, "Don't go to bed just yet. There is still work to be done," naturally building excitement for some very despondent Yorkshiremen following their dire start to the Championship season. The work to be done was to sell two promising strikers, Matt Smith and Dom Poley, on before signing off and leaving fans gobsmacked. It doesn't end there though. Having already stitched up their loyal fans, the club's official Twitter account did their best to land their captain Jason Pearce in it too. Pearce, who was tweeting about TV series Power during deadline day, had his comments retweeted at the height of Leeds' weird end to transfer dealings, suggesting he knew of the impending transfer deals. He clearly did not, and the fans are not happy.